Here to the break room. We got a 3-box break coming up here for Andrew. Box of Jumbo Bowman 2014 Baseball, SP Authentic Golf, and 2015 Topps Museum Baseball. Let's see what we got here. And I'll get started with the Bowman. Good luck, and thanks again, AP. What are you hunting for with these Bowmans? All right. Mini Refractor, Jonathan Crawford. Bowman Ice of Jamie Westbrook. Okay. Yeah, no. So that's how I usually do them, but if you just want to jump right to them, that's fine. All right, that's fine with us. All right, top 100, Kevin Gausman. And a Blue Wave Mini, Jason Hirsch. It's going to be number 236 of 250. Alright, got a Gasuki Kato flag. Robinson Cano blue border. Numbered out of 500. And a chrome autograph, Lewis Thorpe. Yeah, Immaculate's still scheduled to go tomorrow afternoon. Still got a few teams available left available. If you want to get in other teams, check it out. All right, Chris Bryant base. Is that something you want to hang on to? Andrew Kashner flag card. And a chrome autograph, Pierce Johnson. The one, all right. Yeah, you had a Pierce Johnson chrome. And pulled a Chris Bryant base. You want to hold on to that? Okay. All right, that's cool. It's got to the point where I could just see the corner of the card and pull that right out. All right, mini refractor, Chris Owings. And a Cal Ripken reprint auto. All right, Chris Bryant Chrome. All right, got a orange border, Billy McKinney. That's going to be numbered out of 250. Romer Liriano mini refractor. I don't know if I ever seen one. Are they from 2014? Okay. Yeah, out of all the boxes we've done, I really don't know if I've seen if I've seen them. Mini refractor Mac Williamson. Chrome Ice Isaiah Kiner. Joey Gallo, top 100. All right, next autograph. Got a gold chrome of Yordano Ventura. Real nice one there. And that's going to be a 5 of 50. All right, Matt Harvey, blue border, out of 500. Chris Taylor, top 100. And a Cody Reed refractor, out of 500. Mini refractor Joey Gallo. And a reprint auto of Wilmer Flores. All right, what box you want to jump into after the Bowman here? All right. Blue border of Michael Franco out of 500. And a mini refractor Jose Peraza. All right, that's a good box there. What box you asking about? You had 3, I believe. Ventura, Pierce Johnson, and Lewis Thorpe. Unless you were mistaken on one of those reprint ones. There's a couple of them in there. Yeah, here are the 3 autos. There's just three in each box. Okay. All right. Hey, some I've seen that you got some boxes had 2. All right, moving on to SP Authentic Golf. 4 cards in a pack. Let's see what's inside of here. Fred Couples, Danny Lee, Kevin Strillman, Carl Pedersen. Arnold Palmer, Natalie Gobus, Nancy Lopez, Ben Crenshaw. Jay Haas, Alex Noren, Christy Kerr, and Michael Jordan. All right. Thank you. Annika Sorenstam, Arnold Palmer, Henrik Stenson, Charles Howell. Bill Haas, Craig Stadler, Colin Montgomery, Gary Player. Retief Goosen, Payne Stewart, Hale Irwin, Paula Creamer. Michael Campbell, Melissa Reed, Nancy Lopez, and Mike Weir. Joe Ogilvy. And we got a redemption for a Richard Lee authentic rookie autograph card. Richard Lee. Ernie Els and Curtis Strange. Next up, Tim Clark, Ben Crenshaw, Louis Oosthuizen, and David Duval. Tommy Gamey, Robert Garrigus, Victor Dubison, Chichi Rodriguez. Jerry Kelly, Stacey Lewis, Richard Lee, and Steve Stricker. Johnny Miller, Ken Duke, David Duval and Tiger Woods. Oh, I thought that was Michael Jordan. And Bo Van Pelt. I saw Tiger, and I remember there was that one with him and Jordan. That's the first thing I thought of. Camilo Villegas, Austin Ernst, Nick Faldo, and Tiger Woods. Jack Nicklaus, John Merrick. And next hit, we got an autograph, Joe Ogilvie. Man, I'm losing it today. Joe Ogilvie autograph, Sign of the Times. And Byron Nelson. John Mallinger. Trevor Immelman base card, and Louis Oosthuizen. Colin Montgomery, Corey Pavin. Next hit, Louis Oosthuizen autograph. It's going to be numbered 7 of 50. And David Duval. Next up, Tim Clark, Ryan O'Toole, Steve Stricker, and Bo Van Pelt. Jerry Kelly, Stacey Lewis, Corey Pavin, and Nick Faldo. Johnny Miller, Ken Duke, Kevin Stadler, Tiger Woods. And final pack of SPA Golf gonna be Thomas Bjorn, Tiger Woods, Will McGirt, and Peter Hansen. All right, a couple of nice autos going your way there. Let's jump into the good stuff next. 2015 Topps Museum Baseball. Let's see. All right, first up, Yasiel Puig, Anthony Rendon, Manny Machado, David Wright, and the hit is going to be an autograph dual patch, Marcus Stroman. And it is numbered 6 of 25. Good start. Do you want the base cards on these too? Okay. Next up, Jose Bautista, Jose Abreu, Dilson Herrera, Chris Archer autograph, numbered out of 399. And a green parallel, Eric Hosmer, out of 199. All right, next up, Jorge Soler, green out of 199. Javier Baez, Pablo Sandoval, Randy Johnson, canvas collection. And the quad swatch coming here from the Angels, featuring Albert Pujols, Mike Trout, Josh Hamilton, and Howie Kendrick. Nice looking card. Numbered out of 75. And the final pack. Gonna have Hank Aaron, Jimmy Fox, Yasiel Puig, parallel Jason Hayward, and a Aaron Sanchez jumbo jersey numbered out of 35. All right, AP, thank you for breaking with us today, and we'll get everything packed up today for you.